Drilling versus boring. Not the same thing. One makes holes, one perfects them. When it comes to making holes, drilling and boring are often confused, but they are completely different operations. Drilling creates new holes, boring refines existing ones. Understanding the difference? That's the key to better accuracy, better finish, and better parts. Let's break it down. Drilling is where it all starts. You take a solid piece of material, and with a drill bit, you create a brand new hole. It's fast, it's efficient, it works on metals, plastics, even wood. The trade-off? Precision is moderate. The whole surface is rough. But for most initial holes, drilling is the right choice. Boring takes an existing hole, maybe from drilling, maybe from casting, and makes it better. It corrects the size. It improves roundness. It delivers a smooth, polished finish. It's slower than drilling. But when you need tight tolerances, think engine cylinders, hydraulic components, aerospace parts, boring is non-negotiable. So, how do you choose? If you just need a hole, fast, drill it. If you need that hole to be round, straight, and accurate, drill first, then bore. The smartest approach? Use drilling for speed. Use boring for quality. Together, they deliver the best results. Drilling and boring. Two processes, one goal: making holes that work. At WMT CNC, we build machines that do both with the rigidity and precision you need to get it right every time.